Alright, what's up YouTube? One more video for tonight. I was going for my walk. I wasn't planning on going all the way around, but I changed my mind. Tempting fate. This part of the storm may or may not affect me, but it's just too good of a shot. I couldn't pass it up. This is looking due north, that's northeast, you know, where that storm kind of went through and fizzled. It's northwest. And that's the critters of the lake. As much as I would love to sit here and film this one until it got here, I still have to make it about another mile around the lake and back to my house. Keep it going for just a little bit though, because it did look like there was quite a bit of lightning as I was walking over here. Can't exactly see the bolts. They're getting a lot of rain up around the Moberly area and points just east. You can see that sunset though, it definitely looks like it's going to be one of those nights. Might get a couple lightning videos if we're lucky. If I can stay awake, I've had a real long day. Come on, nature, hook me up with some beautiful lightning so I can go back to playing Pokemon Go and get home before it dumps on me. Hello, pretty lightning. That sunset's pretty cool though too. Even though, what time is it? It's 9:20, the sun set almost an hour ago. So I think we're probably already through civil twilight and into nautical twilight at this point. I don't know if you guys can hear the rumbles of thunder off in the distance, probably not over this pump near me that I believe aerates the lake. It's definitely rumbling. But so far all the reports I've seen is just lots of lightning, lots of rain. Some kind of plane flying in. They've got a heck of a view. Oh, nice one. just past the 5-minute mark. I'm going to try to cut this off here in the next minute so I can get to hoofing it. Okay, it's about that time. I appreciate everyone for watching. Thanks for all the new subs. If you're one of the new ones around here, go ahead and hit that sub button. Go ahead and throw some likes my way. I love recording some weather, and I'm only gonna get better with time, like a fine wine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.